Ay, sorry. Naka-live pala ako. Nakalimutan ko, my God. My goodness. Hi! Uy, naka-lipstick ako. I thought to put the lipstick, my God. Because I'm preparing for the meeting up. What? Giampiero Romero. Hello from Italy. Hi! Thank you from Italy. Thank you for watching. Course track. Course stack. Hi, course stack. Wait. Beautiful lady. Ah, thank you so much. Beautiful Italy. Hi, thank you for joining. From Italy. I really appreciating you come here into my live streaming. Most respectful viewers, thank you. If not respectful, my God, you know what I'm doing. Be careful. Thanks. Sa utos ng damdamin na panghangin na kahirap. Start at 4:04. Kung malaman mo na ibig kita, nais ko ang iyong ganda. Thank you so much for $4 million. For people. Dahil sa Sir Bell! Hi, Sir Bell! Sorbel. Thank you, Sorbel. Hello, Manuel Lastener. Hi, Manuel Lastener. Thank you sa likes. Nakahirap pigil. Nice to see you. Thank you, Sir Bell. Nice to see you again here. Thank you po sa likes. Kung malaman mo na yes, thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you, Manuel. I really appreciate. You're having fun, yes? Sir Bill, I'm too close. I will meet Mike soon. Oh my God, excited but nervous. What? Yes po. Remember, have an elder relationship. I will meet him soon. Yes, thank you po. Nainibig kita, nais ko. Yes, happy for you. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you po. Oh, that's working. Yes. It's working out. Yes po. Happy. Great to hear. Thank you, Sir Bell. Brave man. Mike Brave man. Real one. The real one. He's kind to me po. She's kind, respectful. He respect me. And then genuine. It's true. Not only by words, but it's true. His word, no bad words for me. I big smile to see you smiling. Thank you, Sir Bell. Happy. So that's why. Because I need no. At my age, no need to like something like searching, talking, something like that. Need to focus the no. Because need to build like a real partner, something like that. I thought I will be single forever, but when he came into my life, then suddenly, oh my God, yes, oh my God, it's what happened. Something changed because when the last relationship, it's a very it give lots of pain to me. Lesson learned, something like that. Gives me a lesson. Gives a lesson. Most to trust people surround surround me, to surround you, something like that. Amy Music, hi Amy Music. Alright, thank you for, because when the last time, my God, it's a very terrible, terrible, soft. The last year is a very tough year of my life. So much, so very something like God test me. Uh, it's really bit difficult. The friendship, the hearts, the family, my family, financial, everything. Sometimes you want to give up now. I lost friend because realizing that, oh, that's not, I thought they are really friend of me, but something wrong, because what happened. Yeah, that's why everything has a reason. That's why, Sir Bell. Such wonderful to hear, yes, po. Because you think, because sometimes